Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a Marshall Willen 2 wireless Bluetooth speaker and you are trying to pair it with a new device, or you're trying to change the device it's paired to or something like that. So first of all, once it's been paired with something, when you turn it on, it will automatically try to connect with that device. So now if it's connected, if you're trying to add a new device, or if it's already connected to something and you're trying to change the device it's on, what we want to do is we want to put it back into discovery mode so that we can pair it again. So all we need to do is with the speaker turned on, so if it's not on, we can press the power button to turn it on, and then once the speaker is on, we're just going to come in and press and hold this Bluetooth button on the top right here, and it only takes a couple seconds and we'll see the LED right above it start to slowly pulse in blue. Once that's slowly pulsing in blue, then we can just go on our phone or whatever device we're trying to connect it with and select the Willen 2 from the list of available available speakers. It should automatically connect. Now, if you're having any kind of connection issues, I do recommend you just try a factory reset on the speaker, and I'll put a link in the description to how to do that. So anyways, if this worked for you, if you could please leave me a like, I'd really appreciate it. Thanks a lot.